Hi, good afternoon. I'm John of the Spotted app, and through this lockdown, we are reaching out to all the wide array of businesses that are on the app, and they've all got lots of information and great tips just to help us and give us some great tips just to help us get along and helping us on a daily jobs and chores. So today, I've got great pleasure in introducing Chris. Chris, tell us who you are and where'd you come from?
I'm Chris Reid. I've lived in Misha now in the village for 22 years. Time to clean window cleaning, which is predominantly business.
Brilliant. Okay. And what tip have you got to share with everyone today?
The easiest thing is make sure you clean the inside of your windows first. No chemicals, no nothing, just pure water and a cloth.
Pure water and a cloth, no newspaper and vinegar. I thought that was what we're meant to use.
Forget all the fancy chemicals, just pure water and a cloth is best to use.
Brilliant. And you start from the inside first?
Yeah, inside
okay
first.
And so just tell us a little bit more about what you do and what areas do you cover.
We've been going 13 years. We live in Misha. We do windows, conservatory valets inside and out, PVC and gutters, solar panels. We cover Measham and surrounding villages up to Ashby, and also Loughborough, Charleston and Stenson Fields in Derby, and also Tamworth.
That's a big, wide area then, really. Okay, brilliant. And if somebody is interested in using your services, Chris, how would they get in touch with you?
Either phone or email. Phone number is 07989 307 892, or email time2 as in the number clean.net@gmail.com.
And also they can find you on the Spotted app as well.
And you'll find me on the Spotted app as well, yes.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, so a great little tip there. I always thought you need chemicals and things like that. So water, cloth, inside first. Brilliant.
Yeah.
If you're a business and you've got a great tip that you'd like to share, we've got a wealth of businesses on the app, and I think we've got a wealth and maybe a Wills lady giving us some great tips in the next couple of days. If you'd like to share, please get in touch with myself through the website or through Facebook or LinkedIn. And take care, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks, John. Stay safe, guys.
Adieu.